Hey guys, welcome to our paradise. To so I don't know exactly where this opens. And there you go. Moto E4. So let's unbox this. I got this for my Bappa and I'm so excited to open this. It has fingerprint sensor. He actually hates unlocking his phone by typing all passwords and all. And further, I'm so excited. It's in golden color. And oh my god, this is amazing. Let's see the accessories it got. Charger, okay, adapter with headphones. I don't like this earphones. These aren't that comfortable to go with. Manual, how to start it up, and safety and security, which doesn't matter right now. So yeah, I got this for 10,000. It is really nice for elders, for most of the elders to use. So basically the fingerprint would be here, and let's just charge it up and let's see what further it has.
This is how it looks. I'll just zoom it for you. It's an HD screen and it's so sleek and it's so handy also. You can just operate it from one hand, and you can see as written over here in the small spaces, the mini manual is given over here. It's a like mini description. So now we are going to on this newly phone. Let's see. This is how it looks, the Android. I think it is taking a little bit of time, but it's okay because we have just bought it today, and let's see how much time it takes. And okay, the symbol of Motorola M, it's over here. So they just said hello Moto, and this is how it looks. That was the best part, hello Moto, the way she says. And I think it has no battery. That is the no I have a little bit. So you can see over here, this is the screen how it looks. You have to select what language you want. So as we know English, so we'll just click let's go. Welcome to our Moto E Plus. Copy your data, set up as a new. So since it's a new phone, we'll set up as a new, get a fresh one. So there's a Wi-Fi. I'll just connect the Wi-Fi. So we just logged into a Wi-Fi, and this is how the next page looks. We'll accept and continue, and we'll see. Just a second, it's showing. Check-in info. This is the email and all. I'll just write my email. So this is how it looks after entering all the email ID and all. We'll see all set. Pretty fast. Okay, yes I'm in. This is how it looks. Next, allow. Okay, so we'll skip this because it's the asking for the updates and all, like whatever. So this is the front home screen. So now we'll just find out where to insert the SIM slot. As I can see, there is no opening at the side, so I think I have to open the back panel of the phone, and there might be the SIM card. Let me just see where it is. Most of the phones have the SIM slots outside only, but I don't know why they have kept like this. I think, and they have a removable battery also, since the back cover has to be opened. Oh my god, it's too hard. So guys, finally I opened it, and this is how it looks. And as I told you, I think this battery is removable. I think so. I'll not experiment on this part because it's a new brand phone and I don't want to spoil it on the very first day. And here, as we can see, the micro SIM slot is written over here. So it's a micro SIM card 1 over here and SIM card number 2. So since it's a dual phone, one has to be inserted over here and second over here. And this is how it looks. And now we'll just shut this. We'll insert it after a few minutes. And I'll talk about the speaker part, because by looking this phone, it reminds me of an iPhone since the speaker pattern over here is exactly the same like how an iPhone has. The same, like the pattern is ditto same, I can say, and the slot is also the same one, and they have a one micro micro hole over here. And this is not a button, guys. I'll just tell you, because if you'll be thinking it's a button, so no, it's not a button. It's, I think, a sensor one. And the lock screen, as you can see, if it is, I'll just zoom it for you. See, if you'll see, if the lock button has some zigzag pattern, so you can feel it from your hands, like. And they don't have it for the plus and minus like the volume buttons, but they have it. And as I showed you, the touch is very, very nice. What you will get in 10,000. Now we'll go to the camera part. Since I've heard a lot, like, Motorola phones have a good quality of camera, so let's just check it for you guys, how it works and how it is. Shutter button, tap anywhere. Okay. And oh my god, they have save location also, like next time you can add on your memories, like where you get. So now, for as of now, I'll just deny the location, because again I have to go to the settings and all. So we'll say okay, and we'll just shoot this. OMG, guys, look at the camera quality. It's superb, amazing, I think. What else you want? So I'll show you how the iPhone camera looks. See, as you can see, I think this is a little bit funny part, but I think the quality of this camera is pretty nice. And you can see all the stuffs which are kept on the table can be seen very easily by two cameras, I think. One is from iPhone, from the phone which I'm shooting, and second is the Moto E4 Plus. You can see the scissors, you can see all the pencils and the stuffs, books and all, my hand and everything. And I think the quality of this camera is superb. I'll just click one photo for you guys. Now guys, we'll just check a sound quality. I'll just go to the settings and I'll just check how it rings, like the sound quality. I'll go to the sound and I'll just put it on the highest number, like highest. Okay, I'll just play one whole ringtone. So I think the sound quality is also very nice. They have a lot of list over here where you can just select whatever you want. So I'll be going with the Motorola standard tune. I think this is their standard tune, or what, I don't know where it is gone. Standard tune Moto. I like this tune also. Okay. And yeah, that was the sound quality, guys. I think you got a fair idea about the camera quality and the sound quality and other features which are like mostly inbuilt over here, as I told you in the introduction part while unboxing the phone, guys. So guys, after using this for a week or 10 days, I'll be telling you the exactly what it is like and how it performs. So basically, I feel that this phone is quite slippery, so you might need a cover so that you can you have a good grip over this, and you can multitask, and you also get a Google Assistant, as I told you earlier also. Battery life of this phone is very, very good. Okay, and as I told you, the camera quality is also far better, 30 megapixel camera, and the Android is 7.11 version, and everything is good over here, and fast battery charging, as I told you earlier also. Now I'll tell you the disadvantages. and what are the cons. As I told you, the phone is a little bit slippery and also bulky, since it is 198 grams of weight. And sometimes it do hangs, but not much, until unless you're playing something or you're just surfing your net. Also, you're in your Instagram, you're doing Facebook randomly, you're doing WhatsApp. So yeah, it was like, just once, like, if many of your applications are open at the background. And so yeah, and performance is quite average, like, it's value for money. And since I won't be using this phone, my father, like my Bade Papa, will be using, so he's pretty much happy with the phone, since it has a huge screen and battery life is better, and it has a good sensor, like, this fingerprint sensor part. So yeah, so the reason I'll say why, like, why you need to buy this phone, it's like, I'll say one of the best reason is to, it has a very great life, a battery life. And because of the screen, 5.5 inches, and that to an HD phone. And yeah, if you want to know, like, what are the other phones, the other alternatives, I'll just mention in the one more thing. I bought this phone through Flipkart, and I've already ordered the the back cover of this phone from the Flipkart only. So I'll just put down the link in the description box, so that you can just easily go through the links, and you'll find all the variety of back covers in the Flipkart. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and like our channel.